I want you to smile today.
But I don't feel like smiling.
Hello, my name is Simone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay, did you guys miss me? If you are new to this channel, hi, hello, welcome, and I would be so honored if you would subscribe. Also, if you haven't checked out any of my other videos, go and check those out. I have some great videos here for you. And also, Happy New Year! We're back! Okay, so in today's video, we are going to be achieving this baddification, okay? The baddification of me. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching. It is 9:52. This is what we're looking like, and we are gonna get ourselves together because we have a very fun weekend. We're gonna be up all night. Speaking of up all nights, let's get ready to wash. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys my setup real quick. So I have my wax pot melting. This is my heated cap. So when I deep condition my hair, I'm gonna put the heated cap on for about 20 minutes. So I'm just heating that up while I go wash my hair. These are the products that I'm gonna be using today. I'm using the Aussie Miracle Coils. This is actually a great line for 4C hair. I really like the slip that I use my curls. It really helps with detangling. Speaking of detangling, I have my detangling brush, I have my scalp cleaner, and then this will be the mask that I'm using tonight. The Mayo Rosemary Mint Strengthening Mask. That's what we're using in our heads tonight. And then this cap will just go on top of my head between the heated cap. So right now I'm going to get these braids out of my head, and then I'm gonna wash my hair. I wet my hair down as I'm taking it out just to start the detangling process, because I just don't want to have a hard time when I get in the shower. This is just water. There's like a little bit of conditioner in it from my old wig. And then I'm just gonna brush it out gently. Gently. Okay, this is what we're looking like. Oh, this is so tea. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go wash and deep condition my hair, and then I will be right back so that we can chit chat a little more. Hair is washed. I put the deep conditioner in it, so now I'm just gonna sit in this cap for about 20 minutes. Her condition nice and good. And then I'll take this out and wash it out. I just made me some food. It is currently 11:43, and I've only checked one thing off of my list out of like the 5-6 things I need to do. My friends, I sent my friends a picture of my hair, and they said that I look like a Black Panther. I love that for me. I feel like I should be good and like awake and up and Adam. I can feel myself starting to disintegrate a little bit because I'm almost done my drink. I'm gonna eat some dinner. We're gonna get this done, the baddification of me. Okay, we're all clean. Hair's clean, body's clean. I have a question. Do you guys wash your hair in the sink or in the shower? Comment down below and let me know. I am a tried and true shower wash girly. I have a wash routine like down to a science. I created it in college, in my college dorm room. When my hair is out, I wash it every 2 weeks. I wash it in the shower. I have to wash my hair in the shower. I have to separate it into 4. I have like a specific routine that I do in order for me to get my hair clean. My hair is so thick. I have to, like, I can't not. So this is my hair washed and conditioned and deep conditioned and rinsed. I think while it's wet, I'm gonna put the product in it because also I'm still waiting for my wax pot to cool down because I had it on super high. And then we're gonna get into these armpits. I just put in this rose water leave-in conditioner. Now I'm about to use my oils, which I have the Sacred Nourishing Oil and Tried and True Dew Grow. I can feel myself starting to disintegrate a little bit, but we're still moving. Now we're about to wax. Literally, hello? It's literally 2026. If you're not waxing, I don't know what to tell you. Like, you're bugging. This is just gonna be hot. This is just gonna be hot. Come on. Here we go. Okay, perfect. Yes. Amazing. Ouch. Oof. It's important to breathe. I have this. It is the ingrown hair serum. Just put it on here. Oh my gosh, I forgot about my lashes. I think I'm doing my lashes tonight too. So, because I want to make sure that the only thing I have to do in the morning is the wig. Or should I wear lash strips? What should I do? Really been into strips. Maybe I can put on some lashes next week. I think I'm gonna wear lash strips this weekend. No lashes this week. Lash strips for sure. Still the baddest. First, whenever I wear lace wigs, I just shave down my hairline a little bit. I'm so hairy. I'm like the hairiest guy you'll ever meet, honestly. That's crazy. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like with my lashes versus no lashes. It just gives like baddie to baddest naturally. It is 150 and I still have to do my hair. I'm so close yet so far. All I can think about is taking my behind to sleep. It is 3:35. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm only gonna sleep for 4 hours, maybe even less than that. I'll see you guys in the morning. We're gonna put this wig on and then we're gonna be the baddest. Good night. I'll see you in a couple of hours. Good morning. Rise and baddify. Rise and baddify. Okay, we're gonna do a quick baldy. that part's kind of tea. Like with the curtain. That's tea. What? I forgot I wanted to make TikToks. Hold on, because this is getting tacky, so let me do another layer.
Bon voyage, little nigga. What go? What's up? Must come.
I'm stressed about it yet. Amazing. I'm gonna let this dry and I will see you guys. And wow, let me tell you something. Last night, honey, oh gosh, I'm still exhausted. I cannot wait to go to bed tonight. It is 6:56. We have dinner at 8, so I feel like I'm running a little bit late, but it's okay because I already know what I'm wearing and my hair is like mostly done, so. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below the black heart emoji if you made it to the end of this video. And always remember that Jesus loves you and so do I. And I hope that you smiled today, but if you didn't get a chance to smile, then you have a chance to smile right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Kisses. Bye.
Darling, I love you.